$0.18, but it surged over 300%, hitting $21 at its peak, and as of January 21, 2025, Trump coin is trading at $37.40. Are you considering investing in Trump coin, the cryptocurrency that is making headlines? Today, we'll explore everything you need to know about Trump coin, including its market performance, risks, reward, and how to buy it securely. I am Bliss, and on this channel, we dive into profitable opportunities from cryptocurrency, investing, and of course, online income strategies. So click on the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our content that we upload here every single week. Let's get into the details of Trump coin.
Bring me my money.
What is Trump coin? Trump coin is a cryptocurrency launched in January 17, 2025 by Donald Trump, just days before his inauguration as the President of the United States for the second time. This coin is actually part of the meme coin wave, but also taps into a dedicated base of Trump supporters. Trump coin is designed as a way to engage his audience in the world of blockchain and cryptocurrency. Why Trump coin and why is it trending? Since its launch, Trump coin has sparked interest across crypto platforms, making it one of the most talked about cryptocurrencies in 2025. How is Trump coin currently performing? So at its launch, its initial price was $0.18, but it surged over 300%, hitting $21 at its peak, and as of January 21, 2025, Trump coin is trading at $37.40. It has seen a very huge surge in trading volume with $25.8 billion in transactions over 24 hours. Its market cap is over $10 billion, placing it among the top performing cryptocurrencies in 2025. Is Trump coin a good investment? Like most meme coins, Trump coin is highly volatile, and it's very essential to understand the market trends before investing. What are the risks of Trump coin? Trump coin's value is driven by hype and political sentiment by utility. For me, the ownership concentration is a very huge concern. Approximately 80% of Trump's coin tokens are owned by CIC Digital, which is an affiliate of Trump's business, and another entity called Fight, which could actually influence market dynamics. What are the potential rewards of Trump coin? The coin actually benefits from a very strong community and high trading volume. It is also launched during a crypto bull market where the Bitcoin is actually surging to over $100,000, and of course that actually added to the momentum of the Trump coin. Another thing to consider is the volatility. Now, meme coins like Trump coin are highly volatile. For instance, after reaching a peak, the coin experienced a 48% drop in value. That's one. Then secondly is the ownership concentration. Now, there's also possibility of community engagement. Trump coin taps into a very dedicated supporter base, and this is actually potentially driving the demand for the coin. Now, this is very essential to consider why the momentum of the Trump coin is really very high, right? Trump coin is actually making way right now, and who knows if it's going to follow the footsteps of Bitcoin. Now, how do you buy Trump coin? Step one is to find a reliable exchange. Popular platforms like Gates.io and CoinX support Trump coin trading. Ensure also that the exchange supports your region and have a very secure reputation. Step two is to create an account. Sign up on the exchange by providing your email and completing verification. This is standard for all crypto platforms. Step three is to deposit funds. For you to make a deposit, you can use fiat currency like USD or trade Bitcoin or USDT for Trump coin. And step four is for you to make a purchase of Trump coin. Search for Trump coin using its trading pairs such as Trump/USDT and complete your purchase. Remember to always double check market prices before executing trade. Now, once that is done, step five is for you to store your Trump coin safely. Transfer your coin into a secure wallet. Options like Ledger or Trezor hardware wallets are very recommended for long-term security. One very basic element to consider is high volatility, and Trump coin's price movements are very dynamic. It's crucial for you to invest only what you can afford to lose. I've come to understand that social media is also driving the value of this coin, so you want to stay informed on every latest news about this coin so you know if you are to invest in this coin or not. Another thing you should do is do your own research. Research thoroughly and assess your risk and tolerance before investing in speculative assets like Trump coin. Now, here's my take about the Trump coin. Now, why the Trump coin has captured global attention, it's crucial for you to approach it with caution. Its rapid high surge could attract opportunistic traders, but the high concentration of insider ownership and ethical concerns makes it very risky for long-term investors. So if you are considering investing, make sure it aligns with your risk tolerance and overall financial strategy. Will Trump coin follow the full steps of Bitcoin? With information shared in this video, the call is yours to answer. But remember, never invest money you can't afford to lose. Orbiters and all the champions out there, now you have a full guide to Trump coin, and with this information, you can decide whether it's worth your investment or just a speculative asset. Remember, cryptocurrency market is ever changing, so stay updated and make informed decisions. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more cryptocurrency insights, and share this video with anyone curious about Trump coin. See you in this next video, and as always, invest wisely.
Bring me my money.
Get this money.